Hi friends, it's Miss Amber. I will be doing a activity. Um, it's kind of like a activity. It's more like a motor skill for children. Basically, you will just need pipe cleaners. You can also use toothpicks or string. It doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to use a colander, but you can use a colander, or you can use um, a empty water bottle. You can use a tissue box and like put holes in them. Um, Pretty much anything. But what I'm going to do is take my colander and I'm just going to put my pipe cleaners through the holes, and it'll just keep the children busy, and they can use all different kinds of colors. And so this is a motor skill for children. um, it helps them with like colors and trying to put them into the holes and not try to be frustrated. And this should keep your children a little bit busy for a little while. So that is my activity to show you guys motor skills and stuff. Um, and that is it. And I will be back to do another activity. Alright, bye.